Hi, it's Bruce from MarineMax in Lindenhurst, New York. Right now I'm going to give you a short video of the 215 XSF Scout Center Console. Beautiful blue hull, as you can see. This boat is powered by the new Mercury 150 four-stroke engine. More than enough power to push this 21-foot boat around. Got a nice little swim platform off to the side here, and on the starboard side there's a swim ladder also. Got a nice little doorway to walk in, and let's see if we can get climbed up here and get some more of this video. As you can see, there's plenty of walk around space on the boat. Nice wide gunnels down the side here, pop-up cleats. It does have the leaning post with the seat and the flip-up bolsters. Very nice touch, very, very comfortable when you're running the boat. You can see here too, we got a nice sized dash, can put a nice piece of electronics on it. You have the Merc controls, some stainless steel cup holders. You do have the T-top at the brushed aluminum. Very nice touch. And again, you have the netting up here to hold all your life jackets. In the stern of the boat, there's another bench seat that flips up to hold another couple people back here. And as you'll see back here, 4 rod holders behind the seat. And on the back of the T-top, you have 4 more rod holders. So it's nicely set up for fishing, plenty of room. As I walk forward here, again, plenty wide. I'm not the narrowest guy in the world, and I have plenty of room to walk through. Beautiful seating up here with backrest. Scout, as always, does a fantastic job with their upholstery. This is definitely a high-end boat in the center console class. And then we have here in the bow a large storage area that drains, so you can use the fish well, throw ice in here with sodas and waters. It's a great setup. As you can see, that's what they call it there. We'll flip the seat down. And you can see it's a very, very nice cushioned with armrest and backrest. As we get past we have a lot of palm trees in our showroom here. And again, you walk down the side, plenty of walk room. A huge amount of walk room on this boat. You do have a compartment here on the left side, the port side I should say, talk nautical. Got plenty of room down here. You can easily add a porta potty if you wanted to. And your controls are here for your batteries and circuit breakers and such. So again, this is the Scout 215 XSF. And we have it on display here in our showroom in Lindenhurst, New York. And that is your live well. So hope to see you come down. We'd love to show you this boat. Have a great day. Thanks.